So if you're like most of our users, your goal is to stay on the good side of the law. In today's digital age, identity theft is very real and happens way too often. We've added a feature to help you educate the customer on this practice. I'm Zack with FTx, and today we're going to check out a newly added feature that's meant to ease customer concerns about license scanning. So if you're like most of our users, your goal is to stay on the good side of the law and have your cashier scan a customer's license for proper age verification whenever an age-restricted product is sold. And if that's part of your procedures, chances are there's been some comments or even resistance to this by some customers, and I get it. In today's digital age, identity theft is very real and happens way too often. While it's easy to dismiss those customers as paranoid or tinfoil hat-wearing conspiracy theorists, their concerns are rooted in truth. Some companies do store identification data without consent, such as license details, and this data can get compromised. So in your FTx system, when a driver's license is scanned for age verification purposes, no data is stored. The system simply reads the barcode data into memory, evaluates the date of birth and expiration date, and then moves on. This data is never written to a database or the file system. We've added a feature to help you educate the customer on this practice. In Control Center, head over to Point of Sale, Maintenance, Settings and Panels. From here, choose POS, POS Device Global Settings, and Register Settings. Under the Miscellaneous Settings, you'll see an option to prompt CFD on item scan age verification. So if you toggle this to yes and click Setup, you'll see two message lines where you can explain the process to the customer. Whatever you enter here will be shown on the CFD or customer-facing display when the scan license prompt is up. Some example text for this would be something like, age verification is required to purchase this item. Please provide a driver's license on line 1. And then on line 2, something like, only age and expiration data is evaluated. No data is stored in the system. So hopefully this tip helps calm down some of your nervous customers and makes the cashier's job a little easier. So thanks for spending a few minutes with me. Until next time, take care.